You want
touch
rush or
still,
regen?
I'm suiciding. Regen.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, regen.
Come back on the slab. Come back to fire on slab. Fire on slab.
Oh, so shit, you can't shoot somebody while they're
Don't
doing
retend.
Watch out, I shoot from the left.
I should have done left. Alright, you guys got it. Reaper got it. If you see Reaper running at him, you don't need it.
3, 2, 1, regen.
Devin, just swing at the group for now.
Yo, if you can keep in that right side, I'm gonna get really
Do
good.
they not have tags right now?
Yeah, they don't have tags. I'm just
That-
hitting you. Listen. Straight them back into a group. I can just go
Yo,
close.
can you play towards like
I'm a regen right now. 3, 2,
wall?
1, regen.
I got rooted, bro.
Yo, don't fucking drain yourself.
If you guys
Don't
push
drain
me,
yourself.
I
No, yeah. Back up.
Back up, back up,
They want us to push.
One is like
Always
one.
in there. Let's go. Back. Let's go. And by the way, every time, don't waste your posse. Do not just dump shit in your posse. Let's go. I wanna fucking
You go
10
back,
all
you
this
go
shit.
back.
Let's go.
Copy.
No, I was trying to get a screeny big, bro.
No, we're good. Kave can't I'm on Kave. Are you good?
Yeah,
Alright, let's go. Just fight here, guys. Don't push in, guys. Don't push in. You can't push in.
have it. He's so done.
Yeah, no,
He's still up there.
I'm hitting the back of you guys. I'm three turns into the back. Go make the fight. I'm watching.
You have a spike set.
I got you. Alright, they're running away. That's good shit. Devin just wanna. Yo, why are we going? Why are we going? Why are we going?
It's a focus, guys.
Ten seconds. Play the passive. I need a point. You can back up. Now it's at the gate.
I swear, Kame is like 2 hits. Like, where's Kame? He's trying to bow me.
Yo, I know it's gonna happen. I know they're gonna try to push out. The moment they push out, I want
Yo,
you to
you go
stay
right
at the
there.
gate.
So many times.
Listen.
I'm a regen right now. 3, 2, 1.
The moment they push out, I want everyone to stay at the gate. Our boys will not.
Get ready.
Where the fuck?
Go get the
Somebody hit Kame.
What'd you say?
What's this?
Oh my god.
I saw someone click up and he
Yo,
said,
I'm hitting this back. I'm hitting the back into you guys. Sprint. Make sure pretty. I'm hitting the back in. Hush. 4 plus flash. Just try now. 4 plus flash.
I'm a regen in 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
pretty possible. I have 14.
21.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, regen. I have the archer out.
I'm good. I
Terrible.
just had
Copy
3 of them.
one.
Yo, 3 of them just try to gank me, but I have red region 3 and they just.
They don't have
They don't have architects, so we can just.
Yeah, I
okay,
have
They have-
right there.
Be disciplined, guys. Be disciplined. Okay.
Somebody needs sick Kame.
Yeah, I know. Be disciplined. We're gonna win this fight regardless.
Hobby's
Hold
too
and
useless.
go.
He's getting drained.
Yeah, Kame needs to trailer come
Yeah,
down.
he's getting drained.
Nobody. Yo, listen. Anybody below 16 pounds right now?
Yeah.
Alright. 40 go get 3. Go get 3.
And if I ain't start rapping, I swear to God, I'd have been with him. I've been getting out my watches, I'm a timeless ass nigga. I was creeping on the low, yeah, I'm a doggy ass nigga. But I'm an honest nigga, I can only lie when it comes to snitching. I hope grudges will help bitches. If you lie, I won't forgive you. Just don't go tell nobody about those times that I was with you. You got my shoulder, and if you wanna cry, fuck with you. In and out of love so many fucking times, I don't get it. I could get on way too many hoes for me to hide other bitches.
Yo, chill.
Hold on.
You don't need to kill the part. This fight is already won. We're not gonna suicide this one. Like, we're winning this fight. We'll call whenever. Yo, I'm hitting the not supposed to be disciplined, guys. Last time Fingal was not the person.
Who was that kid?
I got this one at the roof.
Yo, there's 3 kids in the back, guys. They're in fucking dead.
Listen, I'm a region. When they get to group, I'm a region.
Come back. Why are we just always going up?
Alright, get ready. 3, 2, 1, region.
Good shit, though.
Let the pushes back in the gate, guys. Let the pushes back in the
Yeah, I
gate.
can't really get any shots.
Please.
Yo, press it.
Let the pushes back in the gate.
Let them push.
Alright, now we just can't get our kids first.
I can-
He has like probably one pine in his mother right now.
No, it's fine. I'm not gonna get hit.
Energy burn?
40. I'm a region right now. 3,
I'm
2,
hitting
1,
top.
region.
Let's go play that. Play the region, guys. Play the region. Why are we pushing in so much? Why are we pushing in? We are pushing, bro. Come back. Yeah, that's what they want you to do. Good tag, watch out. I'm playing natural region. It doesn't matter if they push it.
I have 25 points. I have 25 points.
Anyone below fucking 10, go drop.
Dale, drop me to him. Dale, drop me to him.
Drop. Say drop.
I'm a region right now. 3, 2, 1,
Go back in now. Everyone in the gate. I don't know what to do. Go in the gate. Push the word. I don't care. Go.
I'm draining college.
Let's go.
What are we
Go in the
turning?
gate, guys.
That's turn. Bingo turn. I'm good.
Let's go. Go in the gate, guys. Go in the gate.
Reaper, I'm gonna leave you, Reaper.
Yo, catch the mice.
Don't press.
Eddie, turn, fight. Oh my god.
I don't have a bar on the tee,
Yeah, that's strong.
I'm a region. 3, 2, 1.
Push in the gate.
I got one. Don't let the archer fire. They're on one heart.
Wait.
I still have one box to drop.
Guys, shut up. If you're no box to drop, fight. Listen, I want this last push to be a reject push. We'll push all the way. Watch out, niggas. Watch out. If you're no box to
I still have 7 pounds. Break. Hold time attack. Towards.
Came out. Body help.
Why are you right there?
I'm good.
Alright, I see you. Guys, just come up and fight, guys. Come up and fight. No, no, it's over, it's over, it's over.
Oh shit. On pot.
Oh my god, I can shoot so hard at it. Who was that?
That's too well,
Random
Curly.
Gucci.
That kid is cheating his ass off.
Who's well?
Oh
Oh,
my
no,
god.
no, no.
That's a sick bud.
Got it!
You're so
So shit.
I burned to death, bro.
That's
My
funny as
fucking
fuck.
boots are on fucking
I wish I
13.
recorded that, Devin. That shit was so funny.